Many women confuse a urinary tract infection, which we normally call the UTI, with the vaginal infection. So the UTI presents differently. You can get a bit of chills, because it's an infection. Mostly it's bacterial. You can get there's a lot of pelvic pain while urinating. These are signs of a UTI. So, and not to be confused with a vaginal infection. At Dadacare, we normally find customers who come in and they say I have a UTI. So we don't just start treating a UTI. We ask you your symptoms, and more often than not, these symptoms are mostly for a vaginal infection. They have card-like discharge. It's itchy. There's a bit of smell, but they're calling it a UTI. So the way you treat a simple candidiasis is not the same way you treat a UTI infection, a UTI. So UTIs use an antibiotic, and sometimes you also need to use system alkalizers because the system becomes quite acidic in the nature that the urine can really sting you. So there are products for women and even men. Even men get UTI. And even men can use just so that these symptoms are regulated. There are many cases where you find men and women, they say, when I go to the toilet, I feel a lot of pain. And sometimes it's so recurrent. Either it's the toilet that you're using, so it becomes so recurrent that we also advocate for people, after treatment, we advocate that you also use supplements that support this.